Why is the process fails when it comes to authentication of the mails, Nandita ma'am?
Actually, it does not fails. However, proper authorization is required for the safety and security of the message or information shared.
Does this mean that I need to provide an identity to access any data?
Yes, Rajesh. It is just like visiting a locker room in a bank. If you visit the locker room in a bank, it needs your identity, authentication, and you can only access and open your own locker and not others. By this way, we may define authorization as a process or program for verification of the access privileges granted to you. Now, what do you do when you have to log in to the PC? You will be required to provide the username and password. The system will then make sure that your inputs are authentic. Your identity to the system, or in simple words, showing your identity badge. After authentication, authorization comes into play. You can only access what has been authorized to you. If you are the administrator to the system, then only you have the rights to install or remove software. However, in case the system is used by multiple users and you are just one of the users, you may not be able to do so, but you will be authorized to access your files, emails, or other things stored in the system.